So this week on what is that sound that my Volvo is making? What is that? Turns out that is the fuel running out. It's not the spark plugs, it wasn't the cap and rotor or anything like that. Just took it to the gas station, filled it up with gas, and the noise went away. Incidentally, it happened again a couple of weeks later, and it's not a big deal. It happened to me because my fuel gauge is not working. I'm going to get that fixed at some point. But hopefully that's helpful to you. If your car makes that noise and it freaks you out, just put some gas in it, I guess. Start there. Hope it helps.